In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix ClickUp notifications that are not showing. First, you have to head inside the home interface of your ClickUp and then head to this icon, your profile icon on the top right corner, and click the settings. In this part, make sure that you are hovering into the notifications. Once you're inside the notifications, you will see the inbox, the email, the browser, and the mobile. This will include all the notifications that you have allowed inside your system. Well, as you can see here, the notifications are disabled currently in your browser, which might be causing the error for not showing any notifications on your browser. So just toggle on this enable notifications and then click the allow button here. As you can see, we have now selected the default for our browser for receiving any notifications. You can also customize this by clicking the custom, mentions only, and focus. And that's how you can fix ClickUp notifications not showing, and thank you for listening.